Now, 21 years ago, a handful of passionate pioneers had a vision to unite Filipino financial advisors under one banner of professionalism, service, and lifelong learning. Today, we gather stronger, more resilient, and more united than ever to celebrate that legacy and write the next chapter together. Now, before I continue, let's take a moment to reflect on the times that we live in. We live in a world where information is free. YouTube videos explain how to sell insurance. TikTok influencers simplify mutual fund in 60 seconds. There are podcasts, blogs, and even AI tools can serve as your personal mentor. So let me ask you, if information were enough, wouldn't everyone be successful by now? Wouldn't every advisor in this room have already qualified for the MDRT as of this time, kung information is important? Wouldn't every Filipino already be insured? Wouldn't every client already understand retirement planning and the need to start early? But they don't, because information is not transformation. Real learning comes not just from reading the facts, but from hearing the lessons behind the numbers, the mindset behind the moves, and the heart behind the hustle. And that is the reason why we are here today. Because the insights to be shared by our speakers, these are real people who walk through real fire, are the missing keys to unlocking your next level. This Congress was never about getting more data. It has always been about wisdom. That is why this year's lineup of speakers, seasoned leaders, rising stars, and purpose-driven practitioners matter so much. Their stories, their struggles, their strategies, these cannot be downloaded or Googled. They are lives, and when shared, they become levers that can lift your practice from routine to remarkable. So I invite you to be fully present. Take notes, ask questions, challenge yourself, not just to know more, but to be more for your clients, your families, and as well to our calling as financial advisors.